Alright, Rob Frazier, just wanted to do an intro video for my Safelist strategy, my daily Safelist strategy. This strategy consists of a couple of programs. Traffic Zipper is the first. Viral Mailer Payday is the second. You can create free accounts in both. Traffic Zipper, I highly suggest becoming an elite member. It's my dog coughing out there in the background, my bird chirping in the background. Are you done? Is everybody done? Buddy, go cough somewhere else. Gosh, alright. Traffic Zipper. Create an account. I highly suggest becoming an elite member. Become an elite member, you can $37 a month or $140 something or other for 6 months. You actually get 8 months, you get 2 months free. And all of these links here in the background are solid Safelist to join. A couple of ones I would suggest: List Surfing, Build My Downlines, List Jumper, Ad Cheever, List Joe, Infinity Mailer Boost, 6. And Email Hog, 7. Start there, then you can go down and join the rest of them if you wish. I would just join those 7. Elite member, $37 a month. Traffic Zipper and Viral Mailer Payday. I use these 2 programs every single day. Every day I send out an email in the morning or in the afternoon using Traffic Zipper. I get roughly 20 to 40 leads a month. Some days I've gotten, 5, 10 leads a day using this strategy. It's very solid, very simple. It takes about 30 minutes a day. I have another video where I break it down, and that's it. 30 minutes a day, 20 to 40 leads a month, using Traffic Zipper and Viral Mailer Payday. Viral Mailer Payday, I am an upgraded member. I forget what level it is. And with Traffic Zipper, it is worth it 100% in my opinion. You're not wasting your money on solo ads. And I will help you, whatever it is you're promoting, to craft your message to the audience that you're marketing here to. So that being said, before any other animal decides to cough and bark and twerp and tweet and twerp and tweet, whatever in the background, 2 links are below this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!